Alright, greetings educators. This is Module 2, and in Module 2 we find ourselves covering two topics. In one part we're going to begin to look at the NMJC online course review rubric by sections, and we'll start with section 1. And in the second part of the module we're going to talk about engaging students online. You'll be given some strategies about how to do that, and then I fully expect that many of you will offer your own strategies about how you engage your students. So let's just start right here with Section 1 of the New Mexico Junior College online course review rubric. Section 1 talks about learner support and resources. In order to get our students off to a good start, we need to give them comprehensive course information, including a syllabus, a navigational section telling them how to get started, information about how to contact their instructor. We need to give them the course resources that they need to be successful, and we need to give them the student support that they need. Okay, so New Mexico Junior College has decided under learner support there is 7 criteria, and I'm going to go over them. But before I do, I want to talk to you about something that is lacking in the rubric that I believe is an absolute necessity in regards to learner support, and it's something that you won't believe, and you probably will after I explain it to you, but it has to do with the instructor bio. I believe an instructor biography is the most important tool in getting our students to ask for help, and thus has the opportunity to improve our course retention. So our students asking us for help improves overall retention, success rates, and program completion, and thus through graduation. A bio that gives an impression of warmth and approachability will encourage our students to contact us if they are struggling. It is our first impression, just like a face-to-face course has a first impression. I hope you invest much time and thought into developing your own biography. I developed mine a few years ago and would like to improve it to include some multimedia elements, but I just haven't had time. It's a goal that I'm going to have put together over the Christmas break. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about Section 1A of Learner Support. Section 1A, it says New Mexico Junior College approved homepage with course title, instructor's name, instructor's contact information, and a current click here link to the modules page. I think this is pretty self-explanatory, but what I do want to say about this is that there is much research about first-time users, freshmen and sophomore community college students being more successful in courses that have a consistent layout throughout the online, hybrid, and web-enhanced programs. NMJC's implementation of this standard look should help improve our retention rates. This is the home page that when students click on, they see a look that's exactly alike in every course throughout the NMJC system. Okay, in section 1B says that course contains clear course information module with introductory information. Read me first, getting started, or start here to orient students to course navigation and course specific instructions. Again, I think that this is pretty straightforward. What it means is instructors should be giving students a roadmap of how to get around in their course and navigate the activities within that course. Alright, section 1C. Course navigation links contain a clear, complete course syllabus. The course syllabus must be linked to the New Mexico Junior College online system template and include updated information on virtual office hours, course rationale, transferability, required course materials, grading policy, general course objectives and competencies, specific course objectives and competencies, and course outline. Okay, so this syllabus is not the Canvas syllabus tool. It is a link to the NMJC live syllabus that you should be updating each semester. I do not like the Canvas syllabus tool because it helps students bypass the modules page. The modules page is important for creating an indexed and linear approach to their learning path. We teach at a community college level, and the more we can lead students to a directed path of learning, the more successful they should be. So, if you're using the syllabus tool under the navigational panel in Canvas, I would ask you to please reconsider that and only use the syllabus link to the live template. And that's just it further drives students into those modules and helps you get them to read the lectures and assigned readings and any other ancillary materials that you have for students that will go with your module of learning or your chapter or your week, however it is that you set your course up. And you know, if you're not doing that, there are other faculty who are. So what it'll do is it'll help reinforce those faculty members' use of modules. So anyway, I really advocate modular learning and in Canvas and hope that you support that. All right, so 1D, Module 0 integrated to the course. Module 0 is a required element in all courses, all online courses, let me say. It should give students at least one opportunity to work with every Canvas tool that you're using in your course. If you have quizzes in your class, students should be given an opportunity to take a quiz so they can use the tool before they ever take a test on the course content. There's research that suggests students' grades are higher when they aren't struggling with the technology when they get into the content learning. So if they've learned how to use all of the tools previous to getting into the learning material and the chapters and whatever it is, however it is you teach, then they're going to be more likely to have higher grades and be more successful in that class. So Module 0 is a must. If you want to tailor it to your course, that's great, but please put it into your class and let's help our students be successful. Okay, so section 1E says that an instructor introduction is provided. I believe the instructor introduction is different than instructor bio. I always go in and do the introduction discussion, after students have been contributing to it for a while. It gives them one more perspective of who I am as a person. So I do the introduction discussion well into the week of, or however long it is that I've given students to do my introduction discussion. And it is different than my instructor bio. Again, it gives the students an opportunity to see who I am as a person. Okay, so let's go to 1F. A student introduction is requested. I think you all know the importance of an introduction discussion. It really is the place where the building of a learning community happens. I hope you see it as an opportunity to bring your class together as a learning unit. 1G. The course offers access to resources that support course content. This is an important element in an online class. If you use a textbook website, the information needs to be here. Additionally, if you have students using MLA or APA writing, you should give them links to those sites that will help them learn that writing style. I like to add a resources page to my course and to my modules. I like to give students an opportunity to further their interest in a topic without it having to be an assigned activity. We all have resources that we use in our content area. I choose to put mine in a resources page. Okay, so review committee's comments and recommendations. If your review committee has any comments or recommendations, they would place it here at the bottom of this page. Okay, so I've gone through section 1 of the NMJC online course review rubric. The last thing that I'd like to say to you is that the student support page um, in module 0 or in the course information module that we gave to you was created to get into the was created to go into the course information modules, and it's a great resource to students and was developed as a tool to help students with their online learning experience. I've reviewed several courses that they've left this element out. It's the one that has the links to the library and the numbers to the Canvas help desk, and it has additional plugins, support, etc. for students. If you left that off your course, I'd like for you to reconsider. It's an opportunity for students to have those resources right in with their class. And there's research that suggests that when students have a support page like the one that we created, that they're more likely to use those tools if it's right inside their course. As an example, if there's a library link right inside their course, they're more likely to utilize the library resources on the campus or through their online class, and we'll link out to the library. So anyway, please reconsider putting that in your course if you've removed it. It's called student support, and it's in the module template that we created for module 0 and course information module. Okay, educators, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoy module 1. I look forward to the discussion. I look forward to seeing you paired up. I will be pairing you up later on this afternoon. I hope that this goes smoothly. If it doesn't, we'll work through it. Have a great day. Adios.